Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Firebase Authentication with Google Sign-In step by step clearly. To activate Firebase Authentication with Google Sign-In, first, open the Firebase console. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Create a new project by clicking on Add Project. Enter your project name and follow the prompts to set it up. Once your project is created, navigate to the Authentication tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Get Started button to enable Firebase Authentication. In the Authentication section, click on the Sign In Method tab. Find the option for Google and click the toggle to enable it. You will need to provide a support email, so enter yours in the field provided. After that, click Save to store your changes. Next, move to the project settings by clicking the gear icon next to Project Overview. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Your Apps section. Select the platform you are using, either web, Android, or iOS. Follow the instructions specific to your For web applications, you'll need to copy the Firebase config object provided. Now, open your code editor and create a new JavaScript file. In your JavaScript file, initialize Firebase with the configuration you copied. Make sure to include the Firebase Authentication SDK in your project. To implement Google Sign-In, create a function that utilizes the Firebase Auth method. Use the Sign-In with pop-up method and pass in the Google Auth provider. Handle the result of the sign-in by capturing the user information. You can then display user details or redirect them as needed. Test your implementation by running your application. Click the Google Sign-In button to see if the authentication process is successful. Check the Firebase console under the Authentication tab to view the signed-in user. Finally, troubleshoot any issues by reviewing the console logs for errors. Your Firebase Authentication with Google Sign-In is now set up and active. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.